justification for all these cases. Okay. Now, the third important thing that is with binary search tree is how to delete the particular node. Okay, and for that we have different conditions as we have discussed. So this is the first condition where we have the ask node. That means we have to delete this particular 4, and this 4 is a leaf node. In that case, procedure is different. Okay, and suppose it is the intermediate node, that is 5, procedure is different. Okay, the node is holding one child. In that case, procedure is different. And another case, if the node which is to be deleted is having more than one child, in that case procedure is different. So all these cases can be considered one by one. Okay, so the first case is deleting a leaf node, a node with no children. Second case, deleting a node with one child. Then third case, deleting a node with two childrens. Okay, and these steps we have discussed yesterday, just sake of continuity. The first condition is deleting a leaf node. Find the node to be deleted using search operation, as like in first operation. Then delete the node using free function and terminate the function. If it is a leaf node. Second case, if it is a node with one child, in that case procedure is like this. Find the node to be deleted using search operation. If it has only one child, then create a link between its parent and child node. So same thing we have done in this example also, where we have to delete this 5. For that, what we have to do, we have to make the link between 2 and 30. Okay, so same thing we are doing in this case. We have to make a link between 2 and 30. Instead of 5 to 2, it is now 2 to 30 to 2. It is now from sorry, it is not from 5 to 2. Now it is from 30 to 2. Okay, so this way we have to maintain a link. Okay, so then delete the particular node with the function free and terminate the function. And third case, deleting a node with two childrens. In that case, first step is find the node to be deleted using search operation. If it has two children, then find the largest node if it's right subtree or the smallest node in the right subtree. So likewise, we have to identify which is the smallest or which is the largest node in that particular subtree and identify that particular node, and with that it will be replaced by the ask node which is to be deleted. Okay, so now in this case 18 we have to delete, so it will be replaced by the another node, that is 21. So likewise the link will be discarded and that link will be forwarded to the 21 numbered node. Okay, so this way the three possibilities are there. Okay, so this much logic is behind assignment number 6. Okay, so here I think the logic is clear. Yes or no? Please reply on this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, so I think everyone is clear about what is the logic behind this program. Okay, and same program you have to implement as assignment number 6. Okay, now
Sir, assignment number 6 cases, sir.
assignment number
Sir, 4.
5 होना चाहिए sir.
सर 5 रहेगा ना.
हाँ,
5 ना
just
sir, 5.
5 against the 5. What we have decided. The thing is we have to divide the threaded binary tree, okay, into two parts. Although okay, it will as per our we can say lab schedule or lab session plan. The list is quite big. Okay, but as far as our syllabus is concerned, let me check what is the number. As per the syllabus, this is assignment number. Just 1 minute, I will check.
Yes, sir.
It is number 5 or 6. Just a minute. Actually, in session plan, we have divided the link assignments into parts. Okay. Okay, the theory is there. Just 1 minute. I am checking the syllabus. Okay. It is okay. Okay. Number 5 is the C++ program to implement threaded binary tree that we have discussed in last.
Yes, sir.
Then one more is there, that is okay. BST. Okay. Okay. Write a C program. Now we have not started it. What is height balance tree? Okay, so we'll not go in detail of this assignment number 6. So okay. Just a minute. This is for okay. So okay. It is actually assignment number 11. Hello. It is assignment number 11. Students, as per the syllabus, it is assignment number 11. In group B, we have one assignment, that is write a C++ program to construct binary search tree and perform insertion, deletion, searching of node. Okay, and its traversal. So this is assignment number 11 as per the syllabus list. Okay. So you will go for this. Meanwhile, we will conduct orals. Is that clear, Sanjit? I will show the syllabus first. Wait.
Sir.
Just wait. I will show the syllabus. List of assignments so that you can come to know this. See here in group B, we have assignment number 11. Is that visible? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Please read assignment number 11. Sanjit. We have to create a binary search tree, right? Using
Yes, sir. And perform insertion, deletion,
yes. So
searching.
you continue with the searching of that particular node. So try to have insertion and deletion as well as searching, right? Okay. Assignment number 11. This we have not started. This is the last part of unit number 4, height balance tree. So we'll not go in detail of this right now. After completion of this, we can go for it. Okay. So here, this particular assignment we will cover after assignment number 11. Okay. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now in background, you will continue with the assignment. Okay. And in front, I will go for the oral of the remaining notes. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Nobody will leave the session. It will be continued. And one more thing that I want to ask from first batch. How many students are there from first PTG first batch?
Sir,
Sir, 20.
20 तक है, sir.
20. 1 to
Okay,
20.
so can we have a meeting today after your lectures? We want to take one PTG meeting today. Will it be possible?
Sir, lab के
Lab
end
के
में रख
बाद-
लेंगे sir.
अभी इतना तो होना चाहिए. स्टूडेंट्स बहुत है ना अपने 72 स्टूडेंट्स है. अगर हुआ तो
हाँ,
करेंगे. हाँ
हाँ सर, वही सर बोला लैब
हाँ.
के एंड में हम लोग कर लेंगे sir.
चलेगा. Otherwise we will take a separate half. It will be not more than 20 or 30 minutes meeting. Okay. Maximum
Yes, sir.
15 or 20 minutes. So after completion, if it is finished, then no issue. The students, all students over. In that case, we'll continue with the meeting. Otherwise, we'll take your 15 minutes for that meeting. Okay.
Okay,
First
sir.
batch
Okay, sir.
students, after completion of this practical, we'll take one PTG meeting today. Okay. Now, I hope you will do the assignment in background. Meanwhile, I will go for the oral of remaining students, right? First of all, Who is there? 35. Roll number 35 and roll number 36. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Who
sir.
is number 36?
Yes, sir. Rahul Kumar.
Rahul. Okay. So what about your assignment status, Rahul? And yes, go ahead first.
Sir, my first and second is completed.
Okay.
Third will be completed till today.
Okay. What about other student?
Sir, my also. First and second are completed. Third is
Okay. Explain the logic of first assignment in detail. And if it is possible to share the screen, do it right now. 35 or 35? Share your
Yes,
screen.
sir. Yes, sir. Just a second.
हाँ. Akanksha Kulkarni. Okay.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible, but program is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now it is visible. Yes, explain.
Sir, which one?
You go for second, and other student will go for first. Till that,
Okay, sir.
you go for second. Yes.
Sir, I had created the singly linked list with
Okay.
insert at head, insert at tail,
Hmm?
insert at index, delete at head, delete at tail, and delete at index,
Okay.
as well as I had added search
Hmm?
function in it
Hmm?
and traversal function.
Okay. Explain one in detail.
Okay, sir.
Explain you go for insert in detail.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, for inserting at head, we will just create one new node,
Hmm?
and after creating that new node, we will just give the address of the head to that new node next field.
Hmm?
So, and then we will change the head address from head to head is equal to the new node, so that we can create, and we will just return that head, so that we will get the new head, and new element will be inserted at the head. For
Okay.
insert at tail, we will just create one new node,
Hmm?
and we will just assign the previous node. First, we have to traverse one pointer
Hmm?
to the previous node and add the address of this new node in that next field, and we will get the
Execute this program.
insert at. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So it takes a bit time.
Yes, no issue. Yes.
So which option?
Any of your own choice.
So first of all, it will go to insert at tail even if we click any option,
Okay.
because we want the first node.
Hmm.
So display
Okay.
will display all the elements. Sir, any more?
Delete. Delete. We have done. No. Insertion is done. Right. Delete at the particular. Delete any node.
Okay, sir. So first I will use delete at tail.
Hmm.
Now display
Hmm.
23, 33, 43 is deleted.
Okay. ठीक है.
Delete at head. Oops. 4. Delete at head
Hmm.
and display 33 is remaining.
Okay.
Sir, any more?
No. You can continue with the current assignment now.
Okay, sir.
Yes. And okay, roll number 36, share your screen.
yes, sir.
Stop sharing, Akanksha. Akanksha, you continue with current practical, BST.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 36, go ahead.
So is it visible?
No, it is not visible yet.
So now?
Coming. Yes, explain. What
So in the
has
hash
done?
table, we have firstly created a table in
Hmm.
which we have stored the information about the employee.
Hmm.
So firstly, we have done this set data in which we have entered the name of the employee and enter the ID.
Hmm.
Then we have displayed the all the information, that is the name or the ID.
Hmm.
And secondly, we have second option we have given for the search.
Now, what is the logic behind hash table in this particular case? So basically, using hash table entries, we have done. Okay, you have done this. So I am interested in that.
Yes, sir.
Assignment number 1 is based on hash table, right? Where this particular concept is used in your program.
So in this we have used for storing the information of the employee.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. How many records you have created?
Yes, sir.
How many records you are taking for this? How many entries you are doing? Just run this program. Okay. To set employee ID to employee, and do all the operations one by one.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Choice number 3. Now you can do choice 3. Now this logic you have to explain how the searching is happening. Yes, explain this.
So for, we have asked for the option, which option to have created. Then we have for the searching we have entered the option 3,
Hmm.
in which we ask for the ID, which ID to be found. Find. Then we have used the divider rule.
You are not at all talking about what is hash table implementation as far as this implementation is concerned, because your assignment itself is titling as consider a employee database of n employees, make use of hash table implementation to quickly look up the employee ID number. This is the assignment title, and I'm interested to listen from you against this particular title. You are not telling anything about it. Yes, whatever search operation you are doing, that is with the help of hash table implementation. Yes, so that is what the key interest of mine. You are telling the code. Can you explain this logic with help of this hash table implementation? Although you have done this, but you are not telling the things clearly. Yes? Logic is correct. 100% your program is correct. There is no doubt. But explanation we need from you. Okay, Rahul. Continue with the
present.
37.
37 is not there.
Why?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, 38 and 39. 39 is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 38, share your screen and show me second. How many code you have implemented?
Sir, first 2 assignments are completed. Third one is remained.
Okay, so for you also same question. Just now I asked the question against first assignment. So you
Okay,
share the
sir.
screen and explain the logic.
Sir, I will explain the logic, sir, but I am unable to share the screen due to network issues. I will send you the code also, sir. I can, but I am unable to share
Right
the screen.
now, you are with laptop or mobile or something.
Yes, sir. I am in laptop only, sir.
Oh, then why you are not sharing?
Sir, it's because of the network issues, sir.
You are talking to me very clearly. There is no internet issue.
Yes, sir.
Because
But
see, I
actually,
can. Huh,
sir,
huh.
I have to open that thing on the other tab, another
Hmm?
tab.
Hmm?
So it lags.
It lags.
I will show it to you, sir. But it will lag, I guess. I will show it to you.
Once
Wait.
you can try, na. Instead
Okay,
of
sir.
telling directly no, you can
Okay, sir.
try
Okay.
once
I will.
and then. Huh.
Okay, sir. Wait a minute.
If it is at all not possible in that case, you can explain the logic. No issue. And
Sir, I will try, sir.
it is clearly visible.
Is it visible, sir?
100%.
Okay, sir. Then no issue. Then there is no issue.
There is no issue since beginning.
No, sir,
Okay.
there are issues. I tried from the morning also.
Okay. No
Yeah.
issue. Huh,
My code
explain.
is complete.
Huh.
Yes, sir. Here in the assignment one, we use the hash table.
Mhm.
So the logic behind this is we have to map the keys to the values using hash function to the specific indices of table, and so it will be so we can quickly look up to the employee ID numbers. Hello, sir.
Yes, continue. Execute the. I'm able to listen you. No issue. You continue.
So am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Execute the code. Yes, you are audible. Okay. Uh, explain the logic.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Explain the logic. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sumit.
Yes, sir. The logic is to the map the keys to the values using hash table, the values we needed to be looked at. To the particular function and to the specific indices of the table. So we can implement. So we implement the hash table. So to quickly look up the employee ID numbers.
Okay. ठीक. Roll number 39. Share your screen for second
Sir, is
program.
there audio lag or what?
No, it's okay.
Okay, sir.
30,
Okay, sir.
38, you
Okay.
continue with the practical.
Okay, sir.
39. Yes, it is coming. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yes, you can. Explain that first case. Head. Hmm. 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 Okay. What about the third assignment? Okay. Yes. Hmm. But one thing you do instead of using existing libraries, okay, try to have your own codes. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. The rules of operators and operands. Okay. So in terms of that, you can speak operators. Oh, okay. Good. Stop sharing. Next, roll number 40 and roll number 41. 40. Roll number 40. Who is roll number 40? Roll number 40 is there. 41. Hitisha.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Share screen.
Sir, actually, I'm connected with the phone and I have written the code in laptop.
Then what?
Sir,
In the last practical already we have told all these things, na, Nishita.
yes, sir.
Then can you share your screen on mobile? If you have the code, you can.
Sir, I have code written in the laptop.
Okay. Okay. So tell me the logic of infix to postfix conversion. What are the precedences of operators? How the rules can be followed and how many rules are there?
Sir, first we check if the first we check from left to right, and then we scan if there is a parenthesis. If there is not, then we don't push it. Then according to the precedence, we apply the rules, such as if the precedence is high, we put it in the stack. But
Which
if
operator is having higher precedence of
uh,
all kind?
the multiplication for the highest priority is to the parenthesis, then to the multiplication and division, and then
No,
to
no, no.
addition
You are
and
wrong.
subtraction.
You are wrong. Can anyone tell the answer for this asked question? Oh, which is the operator who is having highest priority?
Raise to.
Exponential.
Correct. So, Hitisha,
Yes, sir.
clear your answer. It should be a power or
Yes, sir.
exponent. Okay, now
Sorry,
continue.
sir.
Continue.
Yeah. So if the highest precedence is there, we will put it in the stack. But if the operators are of the same level, then we will pop it out of the stack.
How many assignments you have done?
Sir, I have done all three, but I have submitted only first and third assignment till now.
On Bodhi tree.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, anybody is facing any kind of problem to submit the assignment over
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir.
What is the problem, Purnesh?
Sir, I'm uploading a file, but it is giving me error.
So you have to rename that particular file, and there is specific syntax for it, which you are for.
I used roll number. I used roll number.pdf.
Role spelling should be. I will written in chat window.
Okay. Roll number,
So
and then my
everyone
number.
follow.
Okay.
No. Just wait. I will. For everybody, this should be the name of your file. Okay. Roll number dot PDF. This should be the name. Then only it will take. Okay. On Bodhi tree, you follow this format for giving name for your file, and then upload your file.
Sir, can you give
Sir.
example of roll number, like any example, like not
Roll number, I have written there in that. Roll number, whatever your roll number dot PDF.
Sir,
for
so
that I-
basically 211.pdf होगा ना sir? 211.pdf.
हाँ.
Sir, 211.pdf होगा ना sir?
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I use the same 212.pdf, but it is not. It is showing error.
Just rename your file and try it by other means by
Okay.
taking your complete number.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, Hitisha.
Yes, sir.
How you have implemented? Which format you have used?
So which format for what?
For Bodhi upload.
Yes, sir. I have written capital ROLL and then capital NO and dot PDF, and that's how it got saved. But when I used that I roll number 241, it was not
Okay, so
accepting.
you try two three options and try to upload that file. If not, then call me. I will be there. Okay, Hitisha, what about
Yes.
the operations against single linked list? Which operations you have implemented? All.
Sir, traversal, insert at start, insert at end, insert at middle,
Okay.
delete at start, delete at end, and delete at middle.
Okay. So it will be very good if you were able to share the screen, but due to some problem, if you want, then no issue. Okay.
Yes, sir, I can explain the
It's okay.
logic.
No issue. And right now, what you are doing now for the current BST? What you are using laptop?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I am now I have submitted as first and third. I am trying to submit the second assignment.
Okay. ठीक है. Roll number 42. You continue with practical.
Okay, sir.
42. Roll number 40. Okay. So will it be possible to share the screen because I am getting some other voices around you. Where you are?
At home.
Huh?
I'm at home.
Okay, so yes, please share your screen. Actually, I'm getting echo. Rohit, okay.
Am I audible
Yes.
now?
Yes, you are audible and your screen is also visible.
Okay, sir.
Okay, explain which assignment you are doing now.
So this is second assignment.
Okay, okay. So go ahead.
So in second assignment, first I've created a node. So in that node we are going to store data and a pointer next. फिर उसके बाद insert beginning operation perform insert beginning operation. Here is the code. So for that, first we will create a new node. New node, if it points to null, then overflow will be displayed on the screen.
Run this code. Run this code.
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't know what is happening. It was running till now.
It is your laptop, your machine. We are remotely located.
So I'm extremely sorry, but till now it was running.
Okay. ठीक है. Stop it. Okay. Next, roll number 43.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please share your screen. Rohit, you can unmute yourself.
Window now.
What? Pradnya,
No, sir. Yes, sir.
share your screen.
Is it visible, sir?
No. Yeah, coming. Yes, now it is visible. So, assignment number 1.
Sir, 2 it is.
What about 1?
Done, sir. Shall I share that?
Yes. Go for first assignment.
Okay, sir. I do.
Pradnya, where are you are?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's opening. It's taking time.
Okay. Who is next? 44?
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is visible. 44.
Yes, sir, present.
Yes. So be ready. Okay. Pradnya, go ahead. Explain this code.
Sir, here I have created a class in which I have made an array of a fixed size in which I will store the employee ID according to the index generated. Then I have initialized the array to 0 by using a constructor. I have made an insert function, then a hash function, a display and a search function. Then I have tried to make a menu-driven program. First, I have in insert, if the choice is 1, it will ask that how many numbers if you want to insert. If it is 3, then the loop will run for 3 times that you can insert 3 elements at a time, 3 elements one by one. Then when you insert, first time when the function is called, insert function, it will ask you to enter the employee's ID. Then the entered number will be passed through the hash function in which will return me the index.
Okay.
This is the divide hash function. And when the address is returned, that is when the index is returned, we will check if at that index in the array any element is present or not. If no, then it will be directly inserted at that position in the array. If yes, then there is a collision. So here we are doing is linear probing. That is, we are consecutively searching for an empty cell, and if an empty cell is found, it will return that index, and at that index it will insert that element.
Can you display the same thing in your output?
Okay, sir.
Try to have this kind of thing so that you can justify whatever you told, you can justify the answer.
Oh, 1 minute. So I have to enter 12. So I have to enter how many IDs? Okay. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible. Hash table is showing 2, 3, 4. Okay.
So as 22, it is already there. So it is at 3.
Okay. ठीक है. Stop sharing. Next number. Roll number 44.
Yes, sir.
Share screen.
Yes, sir.
The current assignment, BST.
Is it visible,
Yes,
sir?
sir, yes.
Everyone, those who finished with the oral, will continue with the current assignment. Okay. Go for third assignment. 44. Roll number 44, third assignment.
Infix to postfix, sir?
Yes. Explain.
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Sir, first I have created one class
Chinmay.
in which I have one variable named top. And I have also made one constructor which will initialize top by -1. And I have created some methods like push, pop, peek is empty. Push will push the element in the stack, and pop
Yes,
will
we know that.
pop.
Yes, we know. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Should I explain all these methods, sir?
In fix to postfix, whatever you are doing in this, that
Okay,
you
sir.
explain.
Sir, first we have taken one expression,
Correct.
one string which will append all the characters.
Correct.
Which will append all the characters, operand, sorry, not characters.
That double quotation mark is taking in your in your input as an input or
Yes.
double
Yes, sir, as
quotation
an
mark.
input.
Okay.
This, yes, sir.
Double quotation
then-
mark, opening double quotation and closing double quotation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is taking. Okay. Go ahead.
Sir, we are traversing the whole string character by character. If we encounter left parenthesis, then we will push into the operator stack. And if we encounter any alphabet like small alphabet or capital alphabet or any number between 0 to 9, then we will append those alphabet or number into that out string. And if we encounter right parenthesis, then we will pop the element from the stack until the left parenthesis is encountered. Then after that, we will push the right parenthesis. We will pop that left parenthesis and empty the stack. Then, sir, if we encounter any operator like plus, divide, minus, or power, so we
Run
will
this
first
code.
check.
Run this
Sir.
code.
Wait, sir, wait. I think I have selected. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir, I have taken the string,
Yes.
and
the-
it was in fixed form. And now after running the code,
If I take an
This can-
expression, can it be executed?
yes, sir.
It will be executed. It will.
Yes,
it
sir.
will execute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means I want result of that operation.
Yes. Means,
One
sir, you
plus
are
two.
1 plus 2.
1 plus 2. I want answer for this. 1 plus 2. Okay. Yeah. Do it. Sure.
Yes, sir.
One.
1, 2 plus. Okay.
Okay. Stop sharing. No issue.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Continue with the assignment. Roll number 45.
Yes, sir.
Share screen.
So actually, I have done with second and third assignment.
Okay.
Uh,
So
but
you
I'm-
will go for second.
But I'm not using my laptop. I'm using my sister's laptop. So I don't have any code to run.
Okay. Why?
So वो कैमरा खराब हुआ है उसका.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? यश.
Yes, sir.
Yash. What is the full name? Yash.
Madhyavar.
Madhya. Okay. So
So I
At
can
first-
explain second or third. I'm not able to do the first assignment.
why?
So I'm trying. I have to modify it little bit.
Okay. So I will ask some questions. Okay, for you. The first question is, what about the rear and front pointers of linked list? What are these things?
For the front. So the one which will be performed at the one end is called the rear, and the delete operation can be performed at another end called the front.
Okay.
Insert operation can be performed at the rear point, and the delete operation can be performed at the other end called the front.
Okay.
And
If I want to insert a node at the beginning of the linked list, in that case, how many steps I have to follow?
So first we have to create a new node with a given value.
Hmm.
Then we have to check whether list is empty. Head is equal to null. And if it is empty, then we have to set the new node to the next is equal to null, and head is equal to new node. And if it is not empty, then we have to set new node is equal to next is equal to head, or we can appoint it as head is equal to new node.
If I want to insert in between, in that case,
So in
between two nodes, I want to insert another node.
so then
Will it be possible?
yes, so 1 minute. So we can insert node at specific location by same again creating the new node. Then check whether list is empty. If it is empty, then we have to set the new node is equal to null. And if it is not empty, then we have to define a node pointer temp and initialize with the head. And then we have to keep moving the temp to its next node until it reaches the node after which we want to insert the new node.
A stack using array is good, or a stack using linked list is better? Which is better and why?
So
Getting my question?
yes, I got it.
Stack using array is best, or stack using linked list is best?
So the array versions are slower in the worst case,
Mm-hmm.
and linked list versions have better worst case behavior.
Reason?
So that time I use that time complexity thing.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Roll number 45. Your name number.
Yes, sir.
Your number.
So 45.
Yes, my connection was lost. Now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Hello, I am audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so roll number 46 and 47. Unmute yourself. 46 and 47.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 46.
Yes, sir.
You share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Prathamesh.
Sir. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. Explain, please.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Sir, which one? I have done first and second.
Go for first.
Sir, okay. So, but no, I have not done that employee ID वाला thing, sir. तो माझा कोड हरवला, sir. हा, sir. Normal hash table चा.
Okay, explain.
Logic सांगू शकतो.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sir. So first we take size of the hash table, and in hash function we do size of number of element mod the size of table, and then every element we add the index. The key is allotted to the index, and then in case if the collisions occur, in that case there are two methods: open addressing and close addressing. So open addressing linear probing and quadratic probing we use. Quadratic probing is mostly used when there are a lot of data is to be stored, and in small tables we use linear probing.
Okay.
So if the same position is occupied by any element, so in linear probing we check the next position in the hash table if it is empty, and if we keep on checking unless it is empty, and then whichever position is
Run this code.
What?
Run this.
Okay, sir.
Execute this code.
One second. Insert element. 5 element.
Okay. Search.
Yes, sir.
Third option. Display.
Yes, sir. If the element is found, then it doesn't show any message.
Okay.
So, 1 second. So if we type any random number.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. There is something error.
Take two numbers only. Now display it. You're not audible.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I was muted.
Yes. ठीक है.
Okay.
Clear it. Okay. Next student.
Hello, sir.
हाँ.
Hello, sir.
Yes. 48.
I am mobile.
Yes. Which assignment?
Second assignment. In second assignment, simply English. I have created insert at head, display element, search element, delete number, and delete at particular location, insert element at location, find length of list, reverse the linked list. These are the and which this is the search node in which we can take key from user, and node temp is equal to head, while temp is equal to 0 means null. Temp data temp is equal to key, then it will show that key will found, and if data temp is not.
Okay, execute this code.
Sir.
Okay. Yes, take some insert some input. Show the display.
Okay, sir.
Take sample data of your own choice.
14, sorry. Sir, by mistake. Sit. Sorry, sir. Again, I will. Okay.
It is not working?
It's working, sir, but by mistake I
Okay, okay, no issue. Okay, ठीक है. Next number. Who is next? 48. Stop sharing. 48. Is there? 48. Roll number 48. 49.
Yes, sir.
Share screen.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast.
Sir, I have done second and third assignment.
You go for third assignment.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is the third assignment. In the main, I have taken an infix string, which we'll use to enter an infix expression. After that, we will transverse we will check the operators and operands. For that, if an operand is present, we will just put in the postfix means output, and for the operators, we will check the operator precedence. If the incoming operator has more precedence than the top of the stack, then we will make the incoming operator as the top, and if the incoming operator do not has the more precedence than the top of the stack, we will just pop the top of the stack and push the incoming operator into it. And if the incoming is a close bracket, opening bracket, then we'll just push it on the stack. And if incoming symbol is a close bracket, then we just pop the stack and print the operators till the opening bracket is found.
Execute this. Take example of your own choice.
Yes, sir.
Take some complicated
Sure.
Okay. So first of all, it is showing
the infix expression is first of all showing. After that,
star. Okay. Check whether it is correct or not by doing the hand run.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your number is
49, sir.
Okay. 48 is absent. Okay. 50. Roll number 50. Share screen. Roll number 50.
Hello, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Adi. Aditya.
Okay,
Mehra.
sir. Yes, sir. Sharing, sir.
Okay. You go for second assignment, Aditya.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, sir. Which part do you want me to explain? So the entire program, or?
See, in quick time, how you can effectively tell everything, that is very important.
Sir, in?
Less time, how effectively you tell about the entire program. That is what the major concern.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. So,
So first of all, a structure for creating a node right here. And then I made a class just so I can group all the functions.
All together, yes.
And then, sir, this is the main. This one contains all the menu. And the functions which I've implemented are insert a note at the beginning, insert note at the last.
Which function is more difficult for you?
Sir, I think insert node at position. Sir, I've commented it because it was giving me some errors and I have to debug it.
Okay, so go to that only.
Sir, it's not done till now. I said I have to.
We'll see what will the next thing. I am trying to get what logic you have written there.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Insert node at a given position. Insert node at a given position.
Yes, this is one.
Yes, sir. This is the one. So what I did was, sir, value position counter. Okay, enter the value to be inserted. Okay, the value which you want. to be inserted. Okay, and then this I'm creating a node in which you can enter the value and then it will be finally inserted.
Okay, so this is not working actually.
Yes, sir, some kind of error. I mean, maybe logical or syntactical error.
Okay,
somewhere.
so you can remove it afterwards. Go for the thing which you have implemented clearly. Yes, this.
Okay, sir. First of all,
no. You leave this part. Go for the other operation which you have done. This.
So delete.
Yes, it is working now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so explain this.
So first of all, I'm checking whether the list is empty or not. So this is the first part. And then I'm asking the user which value, the position of the value which has to be deleted. And then if the position is the first element, which is the first element of the node, then what I do is I just simply push the pointer value to the next element. Header start equals to yes, sir. And then if it is not the first element, then I first of all traverse the linked list and then I count how many elements are there. And then I apply condition if the position value is between this, then insertion, and if it is not, then it is out of range. And
execute the code.
Okay, sir. So is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
So insert a note at the beginning. Enter the value as F4. And sir, if you want it to be displayed, 4 and null. And if you want to delete it, enter the position, first, and then display. Okay, sir. No link.
Okay, stop sharing.
Okay, sir.
Next, roll number 51. Roll number 51. Roll number 51 is there? Okay, not there. 52. 52 is also not. 53.
Yes, sir.
Share screen.
Sir, I'm using mobiles.
Okay, so.
So my first and third are a little bit remaining, and second is done.
Second is done, right? Okay, so.
I can explain second.
So you don't have that much. Okay, so we'll ask you some questions so that we can get to know how much you have done. Okay. Now the first question is, if I want to link, suppose I want to create a linked list. Okay.
Yes.
How many things I have to do to create a new node? Suppose I want to create a node using linked list. Node itself. In that case, how many things I have to do?
So we have to create a class node first.
Yes. And what are the fields in that class?
So it has two attributes.
Two
data and next.
Yes. Data and next.
And next, then we have to create another class. Which has again two attributes, head and tail. And then add node. And it will add new node to the lister.
Okay. Now what is the procedure for inserting node at the end? End of the linked list. If I want to insert a node, what is the procedure? See, there are two things: inserting node at the beginning of the linked list and at the end of the linked list. Yes.
So can you repeat?
If I want to insert a node at the end of the linked list.
Okay.
What is the procedure?
So then we declare a head pointer and make it as null.
Head pointer. Is that correct answer? Yes.
So we can find the last node and set last node as new node.
Okay. And what about the procedure for inserting a node at the beginning of the linked list? Same or different?
Same.
How it is same at the beginning and at the end? There should be some difference.
So we create new node with the, we make new node the head node.
Every time you are telling the same thing. There should be some difference between these two things. And I want to know what is the difference. If I want to insert a node at the beginning and if I want to insert a node at the end, there should be some differences, and those differences you highlight me. What is your name?
Swajay.
Do it carefully, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Your concepts are not that much. Okay, so maybe due to some time, if you are not able to recall all these things, take your time, recall it properly. Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Before share screen, you stop sharing. 54, share your screen.
Sir, is it visible?
Just wait. Yes, it is visible. How many assignments you had done?
Sir, I have completed 3, but first I have some errors.
Third, you explain.
Okay, sir. Sir, in this code, I have taken a class postfix. In this, a function is made in which precedence for the operands for raised to the power, multiplication, division, plus and minus, and then a function for conversion from infix to postfix. In this, I have taken a stack for character, then a loop from the starting of the stack to the starting of the expression from user to end. Then I have pointed a character to the first element. Then in when the elements are between A to Z and capital A to Z or 0 to 9, then it will be get added to the answer. And if it is parenthesis, then it will push it in the stack. And if it is left parenthesis, then it will go inside the stack till the stack element is greater. It will pop all the elements. Then if stack is not empty and precedence of the top is greater than the element I am entering, then it will add the operand to the answer, and then it will pop the element at the top. Then again it will push the C character, and then if the stack is empty, answer will add all the elements at the top, and it will pop all of them, and it will show the answer. Here is a string I have created in which user will enter the string, and from this it will through the
Goes to that function. Okay, so take your string and show me the output.
Yes, sir.
Take the complicated string. Okay. ठीक है ओके ठीक है stop sharing. Next.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 55 na?
Yes.
Share your screen. Nishita.
Sir, is it visible?
Not yet. Coming. Yes, it is visible. How many assignments you have done, Nishita?
Sir, I have done all 3.
Okay, go for first.
In hash table, we have to declare a bucket of array and key. Then we have public function. We have used for loop. Then insert function and hash function.
Go on explaining. Don't stop between. Nishita, explain. Your voice is breaking.
Then we need to insert a number.
Why you are stopping? You continue the discussion. Continue to explain the thing. Nishita, are you getting me? Hello? I think she is having some problem. Nishita? Hello? We cannot hear you, Nishita.
Hello, sir.
Now you are audible. Okay.
Then we will run the code. Then second, I will display the elements.
Search the element now. Option 3.
Yes, sir. Two is at the third position.
Okay. Next, 56. 56. Who is 56? Roll number 56 is there? Absent. 57. Roll number 57.
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Okay. Vedant. Okay. Your screen is visible, but
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, so it is visible. You can go ahead. Which assignment you are explaining? How many implemented? 3, all 3?
No, sir. I have implemented 2 assignments, hashing and linked list.
Explain second assignment.
Okay, sir. So here I have created a node in which there is a data part and there is a int head part. Okay, so linked list is created, which is the basic syntax of linked list. Then I have insert at head function. So for inserting an head, I will take the input from the user. Here it is input is passed on. Then a new node is a new node is declared. This is the memory allocation in heap. Then new node value means I will assign the new node data to the entered by the user. Then since it is the first element in that list, so I will assign it as null. So if it is not the first element, then I will increase this size. Okay, size would be increased, and then I will I will assign the node to the next. It will point towards the next element of the linked list. So insert at the tail. So if I want to insert at the tail, then I will create a new node and assign it the memory. After that, I will assign the value, and I will assign the address of that new node equals to null. And we have a tail node at the last. Okay, so that tail node would be assigned the address of the new node which we have created, and thus the new node is inserted at the tail.
Execute this.
Okay, sir. So sir, if I want to insert the element, then choice is second. So if I want to insert at head, so first numbers, I want to add one number, 45. So if I want to insert at any position, and number is 65 at second position, and so on, I can insert the elements. So if I want to display, then I will go back from your exit, display. Just the elements are displayed over here, 45 and 65, and then it's null.
Okay, take it. Next. Your number is?
57.
Okay. Next, 58.
Yes, sir.
Share screen.
Sir, is it visible?
Not it.
Just a second, sir. Sir, is it visible now?
No, you are not, I think, sharing your screen. Click on, now it is coming, Anurag.
Yes, sir.
Anugrah, sorry. Okay.
Sir, I have done 2 assignments. First is hashing and the third one infix to postfix.
Okay, so go for third.
Yes, sir. First of all, I have made a stack array, then initialize the top one to -1.
Your voice is not coming, Anugrah.
In the main function, I have asked the user to enter the expression. Also assigned the E pointer to expression. And inside the while loop, I have traversed the pointer till the end. And if the alphanumeric value becomes numerical, so that is printed, then each condition is checked, like the parenthesis. If right parenthesis is there, then you have to pop until the left parenthesis comes. And for the operator, there are priority given. If this condition is true, then the popping is done.
Okay,
Sir, but
run this.
Some error it is giving, sir.
Why?
It is just a second, sir. The connection is low, that's why it is taking a lot of time. Yes.
Okay. What is saying? Your program is already running. Okay.
It is giving this error.
Okay. Correct it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next. 59.
Yes, sir.
Anugrah.
Yes,
mute
sir.
yourself. Mute yourself. 59 share screen.
Yes, sir. Is it visible?
Yes, it is coming. Yes. How many assignments you had done, Anup?
Sir, second is complete and I will complete first and third today.
Why not before?
Sir, it's showing some error in first, so I deleted. I will complete today.
Okay, so explain this.
Yes, sir. So it is about a linked list. So in which I have done insert at the beginning, delete at the beginning, insert at the end, also delete at the end. and insert at any position and reverse and delete any node. So for this, I have made a function for display show data. So first function insert at the beginning. So in this, initially I have one condition that if the head data is null or zero, then head data will be that object or that item. Else we have to create a new node such that temp data will be that object and temp to the next will be that head and head will be that temp. So we have to return the head. So if the delete at beginning, then a temporary pointer that is head and temp will be the temp to the next. After that, delete the head and we have to return the temp. Also, at the end, again we have to check a condition if head to the data is 0 or null, then head to the data will be that item, else the pointer temp will be the new node and the temp to the data will be that object, and while the head to the next is not equals to null, so we have to
okay. Execute the code.
Yes, sir. If we have to display it,
Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Next. Roll number 60.
Yes, sir.
Share screen. How many assignments you had done? Roll number 60.
Sir, 3. All 3.
All 3. Okay. Go for first assignment.
Okay, sir. Sir, in first assignment, we have creating hash table to store and search the employee IDs. First, we will ask user which the number of employees he want to store, and that size we will create the hash array. Here I have taken 10, so I have create one array of 10. Then we will ask for ID. We will make one hash function that will return that ID mod of the table size, which will create one key, and we will place that key into the map in hash table, and if it is any overlapping happens, we will use here is using linear probing to find the linearly the vacant space and to store the data into that key.
Run करो.
So that
Search now.
for search. ID found and index for.
Take it. Okay. Stop sharing. Next, roll number.
Yes, sir.
Share screen.
So that I am using mobile, sir.
Okay. How many assignments you have done?
Sir, two, first two,
First and
second.
second. Okay. What is the condition of inserting a node in linked list at the beginning?
Sir, first we have to write struct node initial the data and struct node pointer for the next pointer. Then after we have to start with that head is equal to null, and then after that we have to allocate the memory for the new node by dynamically, and then we have to do that new node is next is equal to head, and then we have to new node is next is equal to star head and new node data. Data. New node next is equal to data and then print the node linked list.
Okay, so what is the time complexity of this algorithm?
O of 1.
Of
1.
1. Why? How you have calculated it?
So we have not transposing the that node link. We have to add start. Then only one step is required for that inserting. That's why it is one time.
What about your assignment status? Done?
Complete. Written. Today I'm uploading today. Today.
Okay, ठीक है.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Next 62.
Yes, sir.
Share screen.
I'm on my phone.
So you cannot share your screen?
No, I don't have the code on my phone.
Devayani. Okay. What about the assignment status? How many assignments you had done?
I've completed second and third.
Second and third. Okay, so you explain the logic behind third assignment.
Third, okay. So first we will take the infix expression from the user, and then I've made the precedence of the operator. Like I've set the precedence, multiplication and division has the highest precedence, and plus minus has the lowest precedence. Then I've made the function string convert, and then using while and if loop, I will scan the characters, and while scanning the characters, if it is an operand, then it is getting added to the postfix string. If the scan character is an operator, and if the stack is empty, I'm pushing the character to the stack. Then if the scan character is an operator and the stack is not empty, I'm comparing the precedence of the character with the element which is there on the top of the stack. And when the top stack has a highest precedence over the scanned character, then I'm pushing it into the stack, and then we have to repeat this procedure until the whole stack is empty. It is not empty, and then yes.
Okay. What about the uploading of assignments? Done?
Yes, I've done, sir.
Okay. Okay, so it will be better if you join with the machine.
Yes,
due to some reason, if not, okay. Okay, next. 64.
So 63.
Okay, you continue with the assignment. 64. Next number 64.
So she was 62, I'm 63.
Okay, you are 63. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Share the screen.
Yes, sir.
Apeksha, you said something about your Bodhi tree.
Yes, sir. So it has been resolved now.
Resolved. Okay. No issue.
Yes.
One more thing. After this, there will be TG meeting. Okay. As I said, batch number 1 students will be there. Okay. We'll continue for 15 minutes next. Right. We'll complete it. After that, we will go for it. 63. You
So my
explain.
screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible. Go for first assignment.
Yes, sir. So in the first assignment, I've created a class called employee, and in that I've taken the input of the employee ID and employee name. Then I've taken the input of the employee name and employee ID and stored it in name and employee ID. After that, I've called the hash function. So when this function is called, I've stored this name and employee ID in the array ARR and str respectively.
Okay.
So when the user wants to display the name and ID of the employee, this display function is being called. So in that, with the help of this loop, the elements will get displayed. Then if the user wants to search a particular employee, then the user will need to have enter the ID, and after the ID is being entered, with the help of this if condition, I've checked whether
run this code.
Yes. Name. For displaying.
Okay.
So it has been displayed and search.
Yes. It is searching.
So yeah, Apeksha 1 2 3 4.
Good. ठीक है. Next, roll number 64.
Thank you, sir.
Roll number 64. Is there?
Trial.
Roll number 64. No, Rugved, you are not audible.
Trial.
You are not audible. Kulkarni. Okay. Till that 65. Go for 65. Roll number 65 is there. Roll number 65. Absent. $66.
Yes, sir.
Share screen. $66. Share screen. Mandar Deshpande. Yes. You are on mute, Mandar. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go for first assignment again.
Sir, I will do the first assignment.
Yes.
Sir,
explain it.
So, sir, I write the structure and I include the employee ID and name and for mobile number, and at last I treat it as an object. After I declare an variable and I calling the three functions, and for the hash table I initialize the size having the value 10, and I do the loop and the entry of 5 and it is asked to write the employee ID and the name for the 5 times. Loop will do 5 times. Loop running 5 times, and here the I stored that ID in that index variable, and this is pushback operation I used, and here with the help of the hash function, which is a mod operator, and I use the 10 modulus 10 hash function, and it shows and hash table is used to arrange the employee ID serial wise. It is makes better.
Okay.
So I run the code.
Run it fast.
Hello, sir.
So,
Yeah, sir.
yes. After this, you can go ahead.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay. Mandar, search the particular key.
Sir, I not include that operations.
Why?
Sir, I read the problem statement, and it in this it is written that it is use the hash table just to look up the ID number. Sir, I will do it later, sir.
ठीक है. Okay. ठीक है.
Sir, here's the output.
Okay. ठीक है.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Rugved, you go for it next.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's screen visual.
It is visible.
So I've done all the three, but three is having some errors. So 1 and 2 maybe I can
Go for second.
Okay, 1 second. So sir, this is linked list. So we have to perform various operations on linked list in a menu-driven form. So basically, I have created a class named node, and in public, I have declared data means, and node star next, a link of the next node. And after that, I have created a constructor, and I'm giving integer value in that. And after that, these are the functions like inserting at the head of the linked list. So here I have created a function named void at head. I have given here node star address of admins by reference, and then after that I'm giving integer value. And then here I am creating a node to be inserted in node star n. After that, I'm assigning next of new node to the head of previous. And after that, I'm adding a new element at the head position. So by doing this, we are inserting head of the linked list. And then after this, all of these functions like inserting element at specific position, inserting at the tail of linked list, displaying linked list, and all these are the functions. And below here is the main function. So this is my whole menu-driven program. So can I run it?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, I will save it. So here, enter the choice. So like, if I enter 1. So now I'm inserting element at the tail of in a linked list. So like just insert 5. Again, I'm choosing the first option, like 5. And then I'm going for 4. So here gets our printed list, linked list. So that's it, sir. It is running. Hello.
हाँ ओके ओके ठीक है yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next 67. Roll number 67. 67 is not there. Okay. 68. 68. You are visible to me. 68. 68. 69. 68, 69. Okay. $68 is there. Who is saying I don't have laptop? 68. Rishi. Rishi, you can unmute yourself. 68. 69. 70. 70.
Yes, sir.
70. 70. Share your screen.
Okay, sir.
68. Why you are not 68? Say something. 68. Okay, 69. Absent. 60. Okay, 70. Roll number 70. Share your screen.
Sir, I have done third assignment, which is infix expression.
Okay.
From we can infix to postfix. In this, we have to take infix expression from user and convert it into postfix expression, and we're gonna use stack in this assignment. So, firstly, I have used string infix to postfix function which is containing stack and string infix. String infix. Then we create. Then I have create a string postfix. This postfix string will ultimately return from function infix to postfix. Then I have used for loop. We In this for loop we have I have done the conditions which is if else condition. um, uh, in this we have used precedence rule. The first preference goes to raise to, that is power. Then after raise to means after power, multiplication and division has second choice after raise to. Then addition and subtraction. Then addition and subtraction in this.
run कर
Okay sir. सर मैंने जैसे कि एक्सप्रेशन ले लिया, इनफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन x प्लस वाई मल्टीप्लीकेशन c, कुछ भी सर ले लिया, देन ये हमें पोस्ट फिक्स देगा ऐसे। तो क्योंकि मल्टीप्लीकेशन को पहला प्रेफरेंस है प्लस के, तो इसलिए पहले आया है, देन उसके बाद प्लस आया है।
करेक्ट करेक्ट ओके ओके
थैंक यू सर।
यस नेक्स्ट 71 is there? 72?
Yes, sir.
Share screen. 72.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Which, sir? Which one?
Your home screen is visible.
Yes, but which code?
Okay, how many you have done?
All three.
First, you go for first.
Okay, so first. Okay, so hashing. Firstly, I have created an array of size 20, and then using constructor, I have initialized all the elements to -1. Then I have declared some functions like insert, search, and display, and a hash function which returns the index of ID of the employee by using division method, which is declared here. I have used division method modulo of 10. And in talking about insert function, I have first taken the ID from the user, then that ID is passed to the hash function which returns the index, and then it is inserted into the what we call array, this array. Yes. And there is display and search function too. For search function, we will take the ID to search, then we will take division method again, and then we get the index, and we will just print the index and the employee number here.
Run kara.
Yes. So if I want to insert ID, so I will say like 4 and just 24 and 56 and 78, right? And now I will display this. So it gives me the ones which are not added. Here I get -1. And for searching anything, like I will search for 12. So it gives me that 12 ID is of the third employee. Such. So I can exit by 4.
ठीक है okay.
Okay.
Yes, so I think everyone is over. Let me check the attendance from first. So roll number 4 is not in roll number 1. Roll number 4. Roll number 4, are you there? If you are there, just tell me roll number 4. And the next number. Roll number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Roll number 14. 1, 4. Roll number 1, 4 is also not there. 40, number 40, roll number 40. Okay, remaining I'm having. Okay, so batch number 1 student, I will give a new link. Okay, with that link you can join. Others can leave the session, no issue.